What is voltage? Voltage is a measure of electric potential energy per unit of charge. In this case, voltage is joules per coulombs. The metric unit is volt, while the symbol and abbreviation is V. Voltage is also the potential difference between 2 points. This is shown in the formula below, with the voltage being measured between points A and B. Applications of voltage. Voltage and its value can be used in a number of other laws to determine values of other components in electrical systems. These include Ohm's law, V equals IR, capacitance equation, Q equals CV, energy stored in a capacitor, W equals 1/2 CV squared, and power, P equals IV. Voltage also plays an important part in creating electric fields. Once a voltage is applied to a wire or circuit, an electric field can be created. The strength of this field can be shown with E equals V over D. Measuring voltage. Voltage can be measured using a digital multimeter. By following the steps and placing the multimeter in parallel with the component, a voltage value can be recorded. A voltage analogy will now be made using water. The water in the bowl at this stage will not flow anywhere because it's all at the same level. For the water to flow, some of the water must be higher than the rest. A comparison between gravitational potential and electrical potential is being made here. As the water is carried higher in the cup, it gains potential energy, and the water that is higher has the ability to flow. Imagine the arrow is a trough for the water, but because the trough is flat, the water cannot flow anywhere. The trough will need to run downhill or drop down for the water to flow. Imagine the other arrow is a continuation of the trough back to the bowl, so now the water can flow. The flow of the water is current and the drop of the trough is a resistor. The potential energy between the bowl and the highest point of the cup can be used as an analogy for voltage. And any mechanism that lifts the cup to that point is an analogy for a battery in a circuit. On one side of the battery there is more potential energy than the other, which is equal to the voltage supplied by the battery.